Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of Sunstar Global School. This is Abhishek Sharma and I am here to teach you English literature of class 5. So students, last day we have done with the reading of this chapter number 6, Weevil, the Statistic and the Thief. Okay, and we have done new words and word meanings. Today I am going to explain this chapter to you and we will do some exercises which are given in your book. Okay, so let's start. As Prime Minister in the royal palace of Emperor Akbar, Birbal spent his days listening to the problems of the people. He would listen to each one patiently. What the meaning of patiently? Able to wait. Yes, and try and help them to solve it. What is the meaning of solve? To find a way to dealing with the problem. Okay. So there was a king, Emperor Akbar, and he had a very good minister who was very wise, and his name was Birbal. What Birbal used to do? Birbal used to do. Birbal spent all his day to listening to the problems of the citizens who live in the kingdom of Great Akbar, and he tried to solve all their problems. Okay, patiently. Citizens from far and wide came to Birbal for his help and advice. What is the meaning of advice? A suggestion or an opinion. He always found answers to their questions. He told them what to do. He was always fair and just. Here the meaning of just is fair, to be good. Okay? All the citizens who came to him for help left the capital happy and satisfied. Satisfied means when you are totally pleased, happy with whatever has happened, you are happy with it. That means you are satisfied with that thing. So what citizens do? They come from very far and wide, and they come to they used to come to Birbal and ask him to solve. They asked him to solve their problems because he was Birbal was very good in it in this to solving problems of others, and he used to tell them what to do or what to not to solve their problem, and he was very fair and very justiceful, very kind. All the citizens came to him to take his help and they left very happy and satisfied with the justice of Birbal. One day when Birbal was listening to the problems of the people, a trader, who is trader? Trader is you can say a merchant who used to sell or buy things, was brought before him. The man, very worried, Birbal asked him what the problem was. So what happened? Like daily, Birbal was doing what Birbal was doing. Birbal was listening to the problems of other citizens, and then he saw a trader who was also standing there before him, and that man was looking very worried. So Birbal asked him, "What is the problem?" Okay. Then that trader replied, "Oh wise man, thank you for finding the time to listen to me. I am faced with a serious problem. I am a trader of spices in a village far away, and over the past few weeks I have noticed that some of my spices have been going missing from my storage shed." Storage shed, what is storage shed? Storage shed is a place where we used to store things. Okay, a space where we used to store things. Okay, so what happened? That trader replied to the Birbal that I am very worried, I am in trouble. Someone is stealing my spices. I used to sell spices, and someone is stealing my spices. And I used to live far away in a village, and someone is stealing my spices from the storage shed. Then Birbal asked, "How do you know that?" Birbal is asking to him that how you know that someone is stealing your spices. You see, sir, the trader replied. He said, you see, sir, the trader replied, when I come in the morning to count my sacks of spices, some days I find that there is less cinnamon, sometimes a sack of cloves or cumin or peppercorns is missing. Cinnamon, cumin and peppercorns are spices. Cinnamon is dalchini, cumin is jeera, cloves are long, and peppercorns, I guess, those, black pepper. I am losing money every day. What is bothering? Bothering means to making trouble. To make trouble. Bothering me even more is that no one except my helpers go in and out of the storage shed. I know that they like me and they are good workers, but I think one of them is the thief. Please, sir, help me find out who it is. Now, what is happening? The trader was telling to Birbal that whenever he used to come in the morning to his storage shed, what he found that someday there is cinnamon missing, someday cloves are missing, someday black peppers are missing, someday cumin are missing. So he was noticing all this, and he was saying to Birbal that he was losing money every day, and he wanted Birbal to find out who is the thief. And he also told him that only his workers are there who used to go in and out of the storage shed. Okay, so he knows that he knew that his workers are good, they like him, and they are good workers, but he had a doubt that any one of them was a thief. So Birbal thought carefully about it for a few minutes and asked the man to send for all his helpers. Luckily, the trader had brought them along with him. They are waiting outside the palace, sir, said the trader. Please bring them in, said Birbal to his guard. A few minutes later, all 4 workers were standing in front of Birbal, and he gave each of them a stick. All 4 sticks looked the same. They were identical in shape, color, and length. What is the meaning of identical? Exactly, or you can say the same. Okay. So what happened? Birbal thought for a while, and then he asked the trader that please bring all of your workers. Okay. So luckily, what happened? Trader already brought them with him. So Birbal sent a guard to call them inside. Then they all 4 came in front of Birbal. So what Birbal did? Birbal give them all 4 sticks, 4 equal sticks, which are equal in length, size, and in color. Okay. So everyone was so confused there that what is happening, why Birbal is giving sticks to them. Birbal told the 4 workers, all of you will come back to court tomorrow. We will get to know who is stealing the spices. The thief's stick will grow 2 inches longer, so it will be 2 inches longer than the other sticks. What Birbal said to them? Birbal said that they all have to come tomorrow in the court at the same time. And when they will come, the thief's stick will be longer for 2 inches. That means जो चोर है उसका जो स्टिक है वो 2 इंच लंबा बढ़ जाएगा. Okay. Then, though the trader did not understand how the wise man's mind was working, what is the meaning of mind was working? What was happening or what he was planning. Okay. He thanked Birbal and left with his workers. The next day, the 4 were brought before Birbal again. Show me your sticks, he said to them. Now, trader didn't get it what is happening what is happening with Birbal's mind, what is Birbal wanted, but he thanked him and he left. Next day, he came again with all his 4 workers in front of Birbal. Then Birbal asked them to show their sticks to him. They all held out their sticks. The sticks of 3 of the helpers were still the same size, but one helper's stick was 2 inches shorter than the others. Birbal pointed towards him and announced. What is the meaning of announce? Said it loudly and in public. He is the thief. Now, what happened? 3 sticks were same, identical in the same shape, height and length and in color. But what happened with the fourth one? The stick of the fourth worker was shorter 2 inches. उसका जो stick था वो 2 inches छोटा हो गया था. Then Birbal pointed on him and said that he is the thief. The trader and the other courtiers looked confused. All people were confused here. They thought, what happened? How people could say that this person is the thief? Birbal then explained, the helper with the shorter stick is the thief. He thought his stick was really going to grow into inches longer, so he cut it by 2 inches because he wanted it to be the same size as that of the others. Of course, it didn't grow, so his stick is now 2 inches shorter. Now, Birbal explained what trick he had played. When he told them that the thief's stick will grow 2 inches longer, so the thief, what thief had done? He had cut his stick 2 inches shorter. So he thought that when tomorrow it will grow 2 inches, it will remain same. But it didn't happen because we know that the stick can't grow. Yes? So Birbal played his trick here. And now he got the thief as well. The helper was taken away by the guards. The trader thanked Birbal for helping him catch the thief. The courtiers all shook their heads, wondering how a person could be so clever. One of them said, Birbal is the wisest man in the entire kingdom. Everyone else agreed. Emperor Akbar smiled. So what happened to that worker? Guards took them to the prison, and the trader was thankful to the Birbal for catching the thief, and all courtiers were very happy with the wisdom of Birbal. They all were praising Birbal. They all were agreed that Birbal is the wisest man in the entire kingdom. Everyone was agreed, and Emperor Akbar was also smiling at Birbal. Okay. Now come to the exercise which is given on the same page, page number 51. What we have to do? This is asking who could have said this. Here we have some statements. In front of them we have to write कि in words को, in sentences को, in statements को कौन बोल सकता है. Okay, so we have to write that in front of you. Number 1, what is your problem? What is your problem? Who asked this? Birbal asked to trader. Yes. Come to number 2. Someone is stealing spices from my storage shed. Who said this? Trader. Trader could have said this to Birbal. Number 3, come inside, all of you. Birbal wants to speak with you. Who could have said this? The guard, because the guard had gone to call them inside. So, guard said this to workers. Number 4, please believe me, I am not the thief. Who can say this? Who could have said this? The thief himself. One worker who cut his stick 2 inches. Yes. Number 5. Thank you for solving my problem. Whose problem it was? Trader's problem. So who said this? Trader said this to Birbal. Number 6. Birbal, once again you have shown how wise you are. Any courtier can say this to Birbal, or Emperor Akbar himself could have said this to Birbal. Okay. Now turn your page and come to the exercise D, which is read the line and answer. Okay. Line is, please sir, help me find out who it is. Okay. The very first question is, who is the speaker? The trader is the speaker. Okay. Number 2, who is he speaking to? He is speaking to Birbal. Number C, why is he asking for help? He is asking for help because someone was stealing spices from his storage shed. Yes? Number D is, why does he think that the other person is the only one who can help him? He thought this because citizens for far and wide came to Birbal for his help and for his advice. He always found answers to their questions. For that, a person came to Birbal. Okay. Question number E is the other person able to help him? In what way? Write your answers in about 3 to 5 sentences. This answer you all have to write yourself. Okay, in 3 to 5 sentences. Now come to the vocabulary corner, which is given on the same page, exercise A on page number 52. Word test. Often two words have the same pronunciation but different spellings and meanings. They are called homophones. Okay, so we have been given some clues here, and we have to write the words with the help of these clues. Okay, the number 1. This is A. Word test. Page number 52. Number 1. Okay. Number 1 is a person's male child. What a male child called? Son. What a male child is called? Sun. And its next is, this shines brightly in the sky with the same pronunciation. Sun, S-U-N. Sun. Sun bright. Yes? Shines brightly in the sky. Number 2. The first is past tense of eat. What is the past tense of eat? Is ate. Yes? A-T-E. And the second is 1 more than 7. If we will add 1 in 7, what it will become? It will become 8. Yes? Number 3. The number 1 is opposite of wrong. Opposite of wrong is right. Yes? Wrong means galat, right means sahi. Next is, second number of third is, what we do with the pencil or pen. What we do with the pencil or pen? We write with them. Okay? Now, number 4. The first is, we use our ears to do this. We use our ear to do this. To hear. Yes? Ear is our sense organ from which we can hear. Yes? And then second is, at this place. At this place means here. H-E-R-D. Yes? Number 5. Number 5. The first is, a big and heavy wild animal with thick fur and sharp claws. It is a bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Bhalu. Next is empty or not covered by anything. Bear. Bear. B-A-R-E. Bear. Number 6, the last one. Number first is colored part of a plant that grows at the end of the stem. Colorful plant. The colorful part of a plant is flowers. Flowers are colorful. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. We read it as flower, not flower. Okay, flower. Second is, we use this to make bread, cakes and rotis. It is flour. Same, but spelling is F-L-O-U-R. Maida. Yes? Or atta. Wheat flour, atta, and flour is maida. Okay. Now, second word came B, which is given on page number 53. Yes? The last exercise. Can you find another word in each of these words by reading the clues? Okay. We have been given some words and their clues as well. What we have to do, we have to find out a new word from the given word. Okay. One word is given and its spellings, its letters, we have to find out a new word with the given clues, with the help of given clues. Okay, I am going to erase this. Now we are going to do exercise B, a word test, which is given on page number 53. Okay, number one is satisfied, and what we have to find from it, the past tense of sit. What is the past tense of sit? Is sat. S-A-T. Number 2 is spices, and what we have to find, frozen water. What is frozen water called? Ice. Yes. Number 3 is palace, and what we have to find, an unwritten serve in tennis. An unwritten serve in tennis is called ace. A-C-E, ace. Okay. Now come to number 4. Number 4 is grow. Grow. And what we have to find, what do you do in a boat with an oar? We do row. Yes, row the water. Number 5. Number 5 is bring. And what we have to find, where a boxing bout takes place, where we do boxing in a ring. R-I-N-G. Number 6, the last one is agreed. Agreed. And which word we have to find, the desire to keep wanting more than you actually need. This we have done in value education as well. Chapter number 2, what was the name? Greed. Yes? Wanting more and more. Yes? Greed is the word. Now we have done in this chapter number 6, being the stick and the thief. Okay? Thank you.